I'm good. Alright, what up YouTube? Today we are at the lot again. I am going to be testing this guy. So this is my professional camera that I use for headshots and everything else. Today I want to see if I can manhandle this instead of using my Canon, which I have a grip like this, which doesn't work on this camera because the body, being mirrorless, is a little bit smaller. So normally I grip right here. So I got to figure a new way to ride and shoot with this guy. So I got my strap. I might just sling it, but the biggest thing is, can I fit it in here in between shooting so I can still do wheelies and stuff? We're gonna find out. All right, we're gonna start with the cross sling. So what are we shooting in? Shutter priority. We're using a 16-35. That's as close to my fisheye as I have for the Sony lenses. I also brought my 24-70. So I'm gonna try with James, see if I can get some photos of him. Let's see how this feels. I can hold it like this. That's not bad. Oh, damn it, go straight, James. All right, so that's all the way out. Let me get him to come with me after he does his little death spin. That's not that bad. With one battery in there, it's not that heavy. But the question is going to be, can I wheelie like this? Nice. James! Oh, Jesus. Hey! Hey, you! Come here, you. Just ride with me behind and do wheelies like we're driving down the road. I just want to see if I can do it with this. On this side. Just like we're going down the street. Yeah, just straight like wheelies. Let me get in front of him a little bit. This isn't bad. I can work with this. It's so much faster with the autofocus. Pretty cool with this guy. That's pretty good for wide. I can make that work. So I never really shoot vertical, but that's something I'm stealing from Phil out in California. Shout out, homie. Fellow Goonies out in the Bay Area. I just want to try something different. I'm getting sick of the Canon. The Canon's kind of on its last leg. And I got this nice glass that's just sitting around lately. So I'm hitting the ISO with my finger, so I have to disable those probably, those buttons. It's not bad. Now the moment of truth is if I can wheelie with this too. Let's see. Like, I don't want to wear a backpack because it's getting it in and out, and it won't fit in here because the lens is too big. Like, I got to really stuff it, so I just got to see if I can wheelie with it. It's not bad. I mean, I think I could do it. If I just tighten it up like that, it's not bad at all. Let me get James to get a video of me. Where's my phone? Damn, I already lose my phone? All right, let me get my phone. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm wheeling. Hey, when you get done. Oh, you're gonna jump? Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Do your thing. Go ahead. When you're done, I need you. But go ahead. Do your jumpy skippity hoppy. Hippity hop. Oh shit. I'm a scat man. I would break an ankle doing that. Unreal. If you guys don't follow him, rides. I'll just boop that one right there. Him and his dad. Out of 1 if you want his dad. Pretty good on Instagram. Give him a follow. Can you just? I just want a video of me with this, how it looks. Yeah, no, it looks good.
Like, it's only when you're like trying to correct a lot that it's like moving a lot.
All right, do one more. I'm gonna do double peggers. That's the real test. Oh god. Get back over there. You gotta really like sling it like before you start going.
But it's still like it doesn't move.
Yeah, that's not bad. I think I can make that work. This is upside down, but I'll make it right side up. I think I can make that work. That's not bad. Okay, what's cool about this? I got links down below if you guys are interested in this photography stuff. I can just unclick this like this. Comes out. No, we don't have to pull it around my head, and I can shove it maybe in here. Let's see if it fits, and then see if we can shove it in this bag. I got links to this bag too, although it was out of stock last time I looked, but it might be back in stock. Just check the links. So if I can shove it like that, I can't zip it up, I don't think, but let me see if I can maybe just do like one of these numbers. I don't think that's going. Let's try. I don't think that's going anywhere. I mean, I'm not gonna scrape like this, you know. Tomorrow is Tiny Tuesday, so I'm gonna try to have everything good for tomorrow. get some pictures tomorrow and still do some wheelies. Yeah, that's pretty good. I mean, look, got my hand out, do my chicken wings, slow them down, turn the bars. That's pretty big. That's pretty good. It goes easier left than right. Gets caught somewhere, but that's not horrible. I mean, for taking photos while riding, that's not horrible at all. Let's see if I can do double peggers without this. Looks good without falling out. All right, I got a new handbrake set up. I got the Brembo 16 mil RCS 16. If you guys have been here a while, you'll know I've been running Adeline. It's like a knockoff from Thailand, China. But I went to a 14 millimeter Brembo, and I hated it. So I kept mousetrapping. This actually feels pretty good. This is the second night I've been using it. I think I get used to this. Let's take some more pictures. All right, stoplight. Burp. Hold on, boys. Don't go yet. Let me get my strap on. I mean, my strap on. Wait, no, my strap. Let me get my camera on. Whew, say that 3 times fast. What's cool about the Sony, it has this crop factor. So you can enable a crop through the sensor. So it like automatically crops in. It just gives you a little bit more reach, especially if you're running like a 16 to 35. It'll turn it into like a, I don't know, 50 mil at the most. But the focus grabs compared to the Canon. I'm still hitting the ISO with something, my palm. I'm gonna have to lock that, I think. Isn't there a switch for that to lock this? There's on the Sony or the Canon. You just lock the, there's like a switch down here. There's one on the grip, but not. That's not bad. Just curious, is that crop giving me any loss of a light? Let's see. Focus right here, and then we'll hit it. No, it looks the same. Okay, so just like a digital crop. So on the Canon, there's literally a switch right here where you can lock this wheel, so you don't. Because what happens is I'm hitting this, and it's changing. I'm hitting this button right here with my finger, which I have for ISO. I could disable that, but I'd rather not. I'd rather just have a switch where I lock that, or a quick setting. Right now, all I can lock is my grip down here. So this wouldn't work if I lock that and it doesn't take pictures anymore. Now it does. See? Lock. Nothing happens. We gotta figure out how to lock that. I'm gonna go back over there because there's mosquitoes over here. I don't want to get the West Nile. Dang, boy. Alright, I'm gonna take a quick little break and play with these settings a little bit. Try to lock this button. But I think this could be a nice little thing for the rides. Look, it goes all the way wide and then all the way close, and then here's the crop sensor, so you can automatically crop with the Sony A7 III. So that's cropped in, that's at full, and then this is wide for the 16 mil 1635. And then I also have the 24 to 70. I'm gonna try 24 to 70 too. 24 to 70 will be nice, but I think for tomorrow I'm just gonna keep the 1635. This gives me a lot wider settings, and I don't think I'll be zooming in to 70. And the 24 to 70 is just a little bit more heavier. So, all right, let me try to figure out how to lock this this wheel so I don't keep smacking it when I'm riding, and we'll pick it back up. We'll do some more testing. All right, so basically I found out that you can lock that, but for whatever reason, when I try to do it, it's disabled, like it's grayed out. So I think I have to like maybe reset my settings or change something. Maybe the key or the mode for that, the button to press it is registered to something else, different function. So I'm gonna mess with it later because mosquitoes are biting. But I'm gonna see if I can get some scrapes without mouse trapping because my shoulders still hurt. Ah! The key to not hurting your shoulders is when you're about to go down from a wheelie, just give it gas once you're chasing it out, because then it makes it softer. It comes down slower. If you just let off the gas, straight down. Ah! Whoa, look at that moon! Look at that moon! It's huge! Look at it! Just look at it! Look at the moon! The moon! Oh, you can't see it. It's behind that tree. It's huge, bro. I'm gonna take a picture with my camera. It's that big light. Come here, stand right here. Look underneath. It's huge. Take a quick picture of the moon. Where the fuck did he go? Come here, moon. Oh, there's so many mosquitoes over here. Damn. I'm gonna try to go right between here. It doesn't look as impressive that it does in real life. Just throwing that out there, guys. It's big. I'll just put this picture of the moon. That's what it looks like. I swear.